Hello children, how are you all? Today we are going to study the third part of chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Children, today we are going to study one more property of a triangle, that is triangle inequality property. This property states that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. For the given triangle ABC, this property states that the sum of the lengths of side AB and BC should be greater than the length of side AC. Also, the sum of the lengths of side BC and AC should be greater than the length of side AB. And also, the sum of the lengths of side CA and side AB should be greater than the length of side BC. Children, we can verify this by taking some examples. Consider three sticks of size 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. Can you all see the sticks, children? Now join these three sticks such that a triangle is formed. Can you see this 3 cm stick? Yes. And now you have to join this 3 cm stick with a 4 cm stick. And now again you have to join these two sticks with a 5 cm stick. Can you all see, children, that a triangle is formed with these measurements? A triangle is formed with these measurements. Now we will verify this property. What is this property? This property states that the sum of the measures or sum of the lengths of any two sides, it should be always be greater than the third side. Now consider side AB and side BC in this triangle ABC. Consider side AB and side BC. The length of side AB is equal to 3 cm. The length of side BC is equal to 5 cm. So the sum of these two sides is equal to 8 cm, which is greater than the third side AC. And what is the length of side AC? It is 4 cm. Okay children, so we have found out the length of two sides is greater than the third side. Now let us consider the next two sides, that is side BC and side CA. Side BC and side CA. The length of side BC is equal to 5 cm. The length of CA is equal to 4 cm. The sum of these two is equal to 9 cm, which is greater than the third side AB, because the length of AB is 3 cm. This is also verified. Now let us consider the other two sides, that is side AB and side AC. Then the length of side AB is equal to 3 cm. Length of side AC is equal to 4 cm. When you add them, it is equal to 7 cm, and which is greater than the third side BC. BC is equal to 5 cm. So naturally 7 cm is greater than 5 cm. Thus we have verified that in this triangle ABC, the sum of the two sides AB and BC is greater than the third side CA. The sum of the two sides BC and CA is greater than the third side AB, and the sum of the two sides CA and AB is greater than BC. Did you all understand, children? Children, now let us take another example. We will take three more sticks of size 2 cm, 4 cm and 6 cm and try forming a triangle. From the figure we can see a triangle is not formed. You can see, children, these two sticks, they overlap on the big stick 6 cm. Can you all see it, children? You can see the 2 cm stick and the 4 cm stick, they are overlapping on the third stick of size 6 cm. We will find out why they are not forming a triangle. You can see from this that when we are adding sticks of 2 cm and 6 cm, we get 8 cm. This is greater than the third stick of 4 cm. Okay, and then when we are adding the sticks of size 6 cm and 4 cm, we get 10 cm. This is also greater than the length of the third stick. But when we are adding the length of two sticks, that is of 4 centimeter and 2 centimeter, we are getting 6 centimeter, and this 6 centimeter is equal to the third stick, the length of the third stick. So children, a triangle is not formed. So hence we can see from above a triangle is not formed since the sum of the lengths of two sticks is equal to the length of the third stick. Did you all understand, children? Now let us take another example. We can take another example. Consider three more sticks of size 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter, children. Take three more sticks of size 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and again try to form a triangle. Again try to form a triangle. Again we see that a triangle is not formed. Again we see that a triangle is not formed. We will see why the triangle is not formed. See here, when we take the length of the two sticks 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter, this is 9 centimeter and this is greater than the third stick, that is which is of 2 centimeter. Now take that other two sticks, that is 6 centimeter stick and the 2 centimeter stick. When we add them, we get 8 centimeters, and this is greater than the third stick, which is of 3 centimeter. But when we add the two sticks of size 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter, we get 5 centimeter. We find this 5 centimeter is less than the third stick, which is of 6 centimeter. So again we are not getting a triangle. So again we are not getting a triangle. So hence we can see from above a triangle is not formed since the sum of the lengths of two sticks is less than the length of the third stick. Did you all understand, children? Children, from this we conclude, from the above examples, we conclude that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Or we can say that the difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is smaller than the length of the third side. This property is useful to know if it is possible to draw a triangle when the lengths of the three sides are known. Did you all understand, children? A small task for your children. Can we draw a triangle whose sides have lengths 10.2 centimeter, 5.8 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter? The second one, find the measures of three sides for which a triangle cannot be drawn. Okay, children? Thank you, children. Have a nice day.